Hello, welcome back to the 7 Foundations of Health. This is number 4, the sun, and how critically important it is. The sun actually just came out here in the Northeast, so that's exciting. There's nothing better than a sunny day. So it brings us joy, warmth, light. We rise and set by the sun regarding our circadian rhythm. It supports our body systems and it makes our food grow. The production of vitamin D comes from cholesterol within our skin. So the UVB rays hit our skin, and we have, voila, we have vitamin D3, really important. So vitamin D3, it's about half the population have some kind of issue and deficiency with vitamin D3. So that's really important because it supports the muscular skeletal, the immune, the circulatory body systems, as well as the nervous system. So depression, pain, even. Strength and balance, that's really interesting. And you should know that it's important for calcium absorption, critically important for that. And even gene expression as well. But I think that something that I really want to point out is how important cholesterol is in particular. I'm not going to spend time here, but I do have an article written on it for cholesterol, totally misunderstood. It's on my website. Also, how important it is to have healthy fats. That is something that's on my website you can find. But 5 to 20 minutes of sun, depending on who you are and your background, etc., is really important at least a few times a week to allow for vitamin D3 to take hold in your body and do what it needs to do to support us. If you're using sunscreen, a mineral-based sunscreen is really important. Also, astaxanthin is very important as an antioxidant, and it helps to reduce at least the risk of sunburn and rejuvenates the skin. And did you know that there are real efforts to actually block our sun, our beautiful, amazing sun? So sun blocking techniques have been affecting our skies for quite some time. And as a matter of fact, the White House admitted to it this past summer in 2023 to block our sun. So no thanks. No. We don't want that. No, thank you. The good news is that there is some legislation pushing back on that. So pray on that, pray for that. And please like, subscribe, and share, and have a beautiful and blessed week. And I'll see you next week. Take care.